I uploaded my first YouTube video, and I made more mistakes than I realized. If I keep repeating them, my channel isn't going anywhere. So I spent the last few days figuring out exactly what went wrong. By the end of the video, I'll know what held my first video back, and hopefully you'll avoid making the same mistakes. Okay, first off, I think the idea itself was good for a first video, but it was not good if the goal in itself was to make a viral video. The idea was, as the title says, that if you have not added these things to vanilla Minecraft, you need to add them, so watch the video. For a first video these aren't horrible numbers for a first ever video, but it's not what we it's not the goal. This isn't the goal. If we were to look at videos inside of the same niche, we would see that they're a completely different style to what I have done. Not in the video format itself, but in general, the way, the editing, the mods that are being showcased, and just in general, more built for retention. Again, which is why they got more views. In the video, you can also see that I am very low energy. In this video, since it's like a diary type format, in anything having to do with Minecraft, the initial expectation is to be entertained. So I should not have had a calm or neutral way of talking as I did. Definitely more Mr. Beastified, 100%. The editing itself, I also would like to improve, since it's not generally bad. There's not a lot you can do with the video I was making, but there's definite improvements that I could have made. Like, in some parts I don't really like the zoom that I made, or just how I made it. The original thumbnail I made for this video, I made it with Minecraft mods and Pixlr. It's honestly pretty simple, but it did the job. I honestly like better the thumbnail I have right now. Hopefully it's better. I don't like that it kind of looks low quality. I don't know if it's just me or the way I exported it or whatever. Another thing is the original title. You've been playing Minecraft wrong, which without these mods. I changed it to have it a little shorter, less curiosity, because I'm not really trying to form curiosity with this video. I'm more like, hey, FYI, if this is your situation, I think you should watch this. Maybe it was a bad decision to change it, but it's done. I changed it. For the idea itself, I'm gonna be doing a strategy that I saw on a lot of videos actually that really looks like it works, and it's gonna be idea farming in a sense, as in I'm gonna go onto YouTube. I'm gonna be looking up anything related to the type of video I'm gonna be making. For example, if I really want to make a Minecraft mod, I could search up here Minecraft mods, but I could also search up Minecraft animatic, and this could inspire any type of related video idea that I could make, and any specific video that I really like or that I really feel would inspire me, or that I could twist into a different video idea that's more fitting for the channel. Then I would save it to a notes app or a Google Doc. For the low energy talking and editing, I honestly just need practice. I'm hopefully gonna be getting a lot of that, since the entire purpose of this channel is to post whatever comes to mind with no real theme, I guess. Gaming videos are easy, so that's hopefully gonna be a lot of what I'm posting, just to keep getting the practice in. The thumbnail and title are generally just connected to the idea itself, so if I can manage to have a good video idea, you know, that it's doable within a reasonable time frame, and also just interesting and good, the thumbnail and title should make themselves easy, because if the video idea is interesting, it's not going to be hard to make an interesting thumbnail and title. I think should be the case, hopefully.